What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me is the twin turbo 6-liter LS Swap Nova, and we are getting ready to see if it's got oil pressure and maybe try and get it to start after that. Got the nice rig set up here for oil pressure. I'm sure the Holly will tell me if it does indeed have oil pressure, but this is just a quick, easy way to know that oil's made it through the top end and made it to the turbo, so I know it's pumping. Try to give you a quick rundown. I haven't done a whole lot other than just button things up. I have decided I'm going to sell it. Just kind of a lost interest kind of situation. Basically, in order for it to be a road car, it's going to need a lot more money. And in order for it to be drag legal, it's going to need a lot more money. And I'm just kind of burned out at this point. I don't really have a better description for you at this point. The trans is out of it. Do a little update on that quick. I thought I had my flex plate on backwards. It's got the 4L80E flex plate out of the 6-liter vans that's supposed to bolt right up to a TH400 torque converter. So I don't know if I have the wrong torque converter, but I didn't like the spacing. I know there is always going to be some spacing, but it was like, I can't remember how many washers. It was like 6 washers per bolt. And I was like, it doesn't seem right. So I pulled the trans to see if I had the flex plate on backwards. And I did not. And like I said, I think that just is contributing to the burnout on the whole situation. I'm just kind of done. But I do want to hear it run. Plus that'll add value. So like I said, I'm going to get set up here. I've been wiring for the last couple days, trying to get the Holly finished wired, trying to get, I can go back inside here and show you. And again, this is all thrown together. So I just self-tapered my little switch panel to what's left of the dash. Holly's just laying there for now. Wires are everywhere, but they're where they need to go. So yeah, I'll get this set up and we'll crank it over and see if we have oil pressure. I don't see any reason why we wouldn't. And then we'll add some water and some fuel and see if we can make this thing bark off. We get to check for fuel leaks. Yeah. Kind of weird having a camera person.
Get used to it.
I really don't feel like chasing fuel leaks.
Well, there's only like 7 places it can be, times
7?
10.
Just off the top of my head, there's like 30 connections.
Well,
Okay. Try again.
oops. This is again. I was checking under here and I was accidentally had it angled at the floor, but I don't see any leaks.
No pressure. 2 psi.
Well.
Pressure. -1.
Maybe it has to be calibrated, you know.
It shouldn't. Actually, it might. Want me to say that? Coolant temp switch 85. How do you work this thing? Wizards. I don't know. Are you getting that?
Yes, all the.
Okay. Next.
I can't see nothing.
Oh, I can't see nothing?
No, the screen's like over. There's your face. It's like white, like the white resolution's off. The white balance.
Oh, crap. Okay. Oh. Six-liter. Idle speed. Do 950. 950 seems like a lot. Let's do 900. Camshaft specs. Great question. I have to go to my cam card. I don't remember. Balls.
Where is it?
It's in the bedroom.
Oh, we're gonna pause then.
Okay. The Holly's not hooked up, but I don't know. This is for good luck. What for good luck? Oh, it's catching the oil.
Goofy.
Okay, fire test. Digital's about to catch on fire. Any on fire?
Not yet.
All right. I don't know what I have to turn on to make this thing work.
Probably the doodads.
I don't know what to do yet. All right, let's try this. Fire in the hole. Probably put something down to monitor how bad that oil leak is. I tried to take it.
Minor oil leak.
Yeah. It is.
We can fix.
Water.
Oh, okay.
A minor water leak. Okay.
We can fix that. We are the factory. That's what they say. Okay. Perfect. Your belt still seems a little loose.
Yeah, I set the wrong belt.
Oh. It's smoking. Is it just stuff or is it other stuff?
It's probably all the WD-40 and stuff in the cylinders. Why did it stop?
Smells like rubber. Yes.
It's not moving.
It's moving. It just, you can tell it is.
Those should be open. So that's fun.
Put some duct tape on them.
You want to hit the button for me?
Yeah. Is there anything else we're going to?
Nope.
The button.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Just so I know you're off is just the ignition, yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
It's rich. I have to take some fuel out in the table.
There's so many flies in here. Nice.
Here, here's this. And then just try to keep it alive with the throttle. Right?
Mm-hmm.